everybody, I will be showing you how to make a harmful virus in Notepad. By the way, this took me a lot of effort to make, so please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So we're going to open up Notepad, and we're going to type in set, you can name this anything, I'm going to name it cmd, equal CreateObject, in parentheses and quotations, I'm going to type in wscript.shell. And then we just do cmd.run. And then this is going to, in between the quotation marks is the command that we're going to run in cmd using the VBS, using Visual Basic Script. So then we're going to type in notepad, and we're going to save it as anything. You could just name it anything. And then it has to end with a .vbs. And you're going to save it. And then you're going to click on it. And it opens Notepad. So basically what it did is it went in CMD. And typed in Notepad. Now, instead of doing that, we're going to type in this command taskkill /f/im explorer.exe. So let's run it and see what it does. It kills the explorer, and to get out of this, Windows R doesn't work, Windows key doesn't work, none of that works. And so you're going to type in Control-Alt-Delete, Task Manager, and then you're going to press Run New Task, and then you're going to type in explorer.exe. And then our computer's back. But we're trying to make a virus. We're trying to make no escapes. So we're going to type in another command, cmd.run. It's going to disable the task manager. So we got this from the other video, so I'm just going to copy and paste the code. And by the way, remove these quotation marks. For some reason, it gets an error. You have to remove these quotation marks. And then the outside, you leave them. Just like this. And then you're going to save it. And then you could do like you could just say MsgBox equals MsgBox. In parentheses and quotations, you could say, you have been hacked. And you could just do right here, you could type in 0 plus 16. 0 means that there's only an OK button. 16 means that that's going to be an error icon. And right in these quotation marks, we're going to type in hacker. You could really type in anything you want. You could customize it. And then we're going to make a variable right here, string value pass equals I don't know, Windows 10. This is your password. You can put anything you want here. And then right here, you could do you're gonna make another variable, another thing, dim guess. Dim input. You can name it whatever you want. And then from here, you're gonna do input equals input box, in parentheses and quotations, your PC has been hacked. And you need to enter the right password. And then it says, if input equals pass, then correct Oh, my bad. You have to put it in a message box. X equals MsgBox, parentheses, quotations, correct. And then right here, you could just type in 0, which is okay, plus 64, which is like an information icon. And then, it doesn't have to have a title. So you could just leave it blank right here. And now we're gonna make a little thing that says cmd.run C drive /windows explorer.exe. So now it's just basically once it kills the explorer, then if you get it correct, then it's gonna like revive it right here. And then now we're gonna take this command right here, and instead of adding the value which says disable task manager and setting it to 1 right here, we set it to 0, which means it's enabling the task manager. And then we're going to put else and an end if. So right here, the else right here is like if, it's basically saying if, this whole thing is basically saying if you get the password right, then whatever comes next right here. And then if you don't get the password right, which is else, then X equals MsgBox incorrect. You can put your text here. Your PC has been infected. And then you could just do right here. You got hacked. And then right here, you could just type in 0 plus 16. And then right here, it's gonna, right here, we're gonna try to give the computer a blue screen of death. So let's go ahead and make that file. Okay. So now it's gonna be called Blue Booter. You could name it anything. But so it's gonna copy C drive /users /ma /desktop /virus /blue booter. And now it's gonna copy our virus, our blue screen of death thing virus. It's gonna paste it into here. Into the C drive. And then we're gonna have to view hidden items. Right here, program data. So it's gonna be program data, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, I believe, then programs. There we go, startup. Right here, it's gonna put it in startup. I'm gonna properties. I'm gonna go into the properties tab, then we're gonna do this. Copy this. And then we're gonna paste it right here. And we're gonna go just /startup. This basically copies our virus file and put it into startup, so whenever you sign into your account, the blue screen of death happens. S, so it's gonna say taskkill /f/im svc host.exe. And then that's gonna give you a blue screen of death. Now name it Blue Booter .bat. By the way, this whole thing needs elevation. So I'll show you that in a minute. So we have to name it virus and Blue Booter because right here it says virus Blue Booter. If we rename it to something else, then it's going to give us an error. Unless you rename this and then change the path right here. Okay, so once we've done that, we could put that right there. And we could X that out. And then now when it says incorrect password, your PC has been infected, it just gives us the blue screen of death. So it's gonna type in, so we're gonna type in cmd.run, and then right in these quotation marks we could type in C drive / users, basically the path, / MA / desktop / virus / blue booter .bat. And then basically this is going to give us a BSOD and put it into startup, so each time we start up our computer, the blue screen of death is going to happen. And then I'm just checking the code if anything's wrong. And yes. So if I'm not going to run the program, but if we run the program, it's going to give us an error message. Or it might not, but it's not going to work. The blue screen of death is not going to work. And some components might not work because this needs elevation. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go in notepad. I'm going to create a batch file. And it's going to say C drive / users, basically the file path, / MA / desktop / virus / I'm going to put that in virus. I'm going to name mine zero escape. And I'm going to put that in there. / zero escape .vbs. I'm going to save it. You can name it anything. Let's see what I'm going to name mine. Zero escape, same thing. Escape .bat. And I'm going to go all files. I'm going to put it on our desktop. And then we have to run this as administrator, and then once we run it as administrator, that's it. The virus is going to work because now it has the elevated permissions. And yeah, that's it for, by the way, everything's going to be in the link down, all the codes are going to be in the link down below. That's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.